Hello there, welcome back to salyantiques.co.uk. We are now in the gun room. I'm looking at some flintlock pistols and percussion pistols. We've got some of the nice seagoing ones here as well, the larger ones. Personal protection back in the 1700s though would have generated a big need for what they call muff pistols. Now the muff is what the lady used to warm her hands in when she was out and about. Always handy to keep a little weapon in one of those in case you're accosted by a blackguard. So this is the sort of thing, 1700s flintlock muff pistol. There was various variations on that. We've got a more advanced version here. So this is a cannon barreled, about 1780, that one. If you've fired your muff pistol and you've missed, or there's two of them, with this one you've got the opportunity to use your bayonet. So quite a nice little example, that one. Ooh, put that away. There are other versions. Later on came this percussion pistol with a built-in knife. Don't know who would have carried it. I doubt whether a lady would have got that in their muff, but it's another form of self-defense. And we have various other examples in this other cabinet, but they're all listed on salyantiques.co.uk, so please have a look.